Want to pair a Bluetooth device with your iPhone? Here's the full guide to connect Bluetooth devices to iPhone in 2026. If this video helps, please like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. You can connect Bluetooth headphones, speakers, fitness trackers, keyboards, and many other accessories to your iPhone. First, open Settings on your iPhone. Tap Bluetooth. Make sure Bluetooth is turned on. If it's off, tap the switch at the top. Now turn on the Bluetooth device you want to connect. Put it into pairing mode. This usually means holding a button until a light flashes. Every device is different. Once your device is discoverable, it will appear under Other Devices. Tap the device name to pair it. Some devices may ask to confirm a code or allow pairing. Tap Pair or Confirm. When connected, the device will move to My Devices. You're now connected. Next time you turn the device on, it should reconnect automatically to your iPhone. If it doesn't connect, make sure the device is charged. Keep it close to your iPhone. Make sure it's not connected to another phone or computer. Tap the eye icon next to the device. Choose Forget this device, then pair it again. Restarting both the iPhone and the Bluetooth device fixes most connection problems. And that's it. That's how you pair Bluetooth devices with iPhone in 2026. Subscribe for more iPhone tips.